How to delete stickers on Snapchat permanently in one simple step. So if you want to delete stickers on Snapchat permanently, then what you need to do is open up your Snapchat application. Now simply take a snap. You can take a blank snap, for example, and here you can go for the stickers, which is on the upper right. Tap on the stickers and here you will have your stickers, right? You need to simply go for the scissors icon, which is on the upper side, and once you're here you will have the stickers, right? So if you want to delete any sticker on Snapchat permanently, then what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to that sticker, and here on the bottom you will have delete option. So if you really want to delete your Snapchat sticker permanently, then tap on delete, and once you tap on delete, your sticker will be deleted. You can do that with the other stickers also. You can simply repeat the process and your sticker will be deleted. So that's it. That's how you can delete your stickers on Snapchat permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.